This is a beautifully striped quilt block, and it's so simple to make. It's going to be a quickie. I'm going to show you something. Top-down camera, show us this, and I want to give you all a minute to screenshot this. These are half square triangles that I just made in a video called 32 HSTs at one time. We will link that video to this one. Anyhow, in cutting half square triangles 32 at a time, I can make 2 of these entire quilt blocks. So I just want to show you. I chose a stripe theme just because I haven't done it before. And if you haven't done stripes before, consider black as your solid because everything else looks so much more vibrant with it. I just love it. So I've given you enough screen time to screenshot that. It's 16 quilt blocks, 16 HSTs, very simple. Don't get confused by the multicolored fabrics in those. That's part of that other video. But put these together in twos like this, these two, sew these together in pairs. And then once you have done that, sew them together into small squares. All right? And then sew these together like that, those together like that, and those together like that. And you're going to have a beautiful quilt block. So I want to show you this. I did a few of them because when you put these together, you got a couple of options in front of you. Now I've made 3 of them here just to show you. You can choose to continue the striped block. You can choose to continue the entire stripe throughout this. If I lay them out like this, you see all that? It's pretty. You can also turn them and make like a chevron pattern. See that? Now my other one can either fit right in like that, or I was trying to think of how I did this. You can do the opposites where the stripe no longer matches anymore. You go from material to stripe and material to stripe. So you have lots of different options. That again would be offset. So play with that. If you make the quilt block, make several first and then put them together to see. I kind of like this. These are opposites from each other. It's not a solid square, but it looks really, really interesting and really pretty. So I hope you'll do the striped quilt block. I hope you will like us and subscribe to us. Go to our YouTube channel and subscribe there. That would be great. You can find all our videos there. And happy sewing.